I'm sorry. Sorry is only a 5-letter word, yet it has sometimes been so hard for us to say it when we made mistakes or hurt other feelings. Sometimes it was because of pride, so even though we knew we were on the wrong side, we still said what we had done is right. Sometimes it was because we were ashamed to admit our own mistakes and because we were afraid that our apologies might be rejected. Repentance is the soul in which forgiveness flourishes. It restores our broken relationship with others and with God. Be not afraid to say you're sorry, because it is sweet music to God, and it is where love and peace towards everyone is rebuilt. Be ready and alert, for the Son of God is coming. We all commit sin, have faults, and make mistakes in life. Let's all act now